Ethereum has just gone through a huge update which brought it from proof of work to proof of stake, and in turn has made it deflationary. This is huge for Ethereum as they've had a lot of competition come about in the last few years. But what is Ethereum? How does it work? What does it do? And what kind of problems is it trying to solve? We'll talk about that and more in this video. So let's go. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Crypto Cabin. My name is Tom, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Ethereum. We're going to be continuing with this education series that I've been going through here. Going through at least the top 100, like I said, is the goal, and then we'll continue on with some smaller caps from there if you guys find this type of video valuable. So without any further ado, let's jump right into Ethereum. Ethereum, the cryptocurrency that's changing the game. Ethereum was created in 2013 by Vitalik Buterin, who was only 19 at the time. Ethereum is an open-sourced, public blockchain-based distributed computing platform featuring smart contract functionality, which facilitates online contractual agreements between two parties without needing to rely on any third party. So instead of being controlled by a single administrator, the blockchain itself maintains ownership and records all transactions that occur through it, creating a permanent and verifiable history. So what actually is Ethereum? Well, let's put it much more simply. So the internet is a network of networks, and the Internet of Things will be a network of physical devices. Ethereum is a blockchain-based app platform that allows these devices to talk to each other. It is an open-sourced public blockchain project that allows developers to create decentralized applications on the Ethereum platform. These applications are also known as dapps. These dapps work by using smart contracts, which are lines of code that can execute themselves when their terms and conditions have been met without having to go through any middleman, such as a bank, credit card processor, or any other centralized third party. The internet, as we currently know it, is referred to as Web 2, where everything has become social and collaborative. Think blog posts, Facebook posts, Twitter feeds. They are constantly being updated by millions of people all over the world who want to share what they are doing. Web 3 will be about connecting all these different devices so that information is communicated seamlessly between them all, enabling us not just to post online, but also to connect to our environment in different ways. Ethereum makes this possible by giving us access to a whole new internet, one where we can control who sees what information while still keeping our privacy intact at the same time, because there are no servers in between our devices and everyone else connected to the network like there would be with traditional internet use now. So how does this all work? To understand how Ethereum works, first we need to understand how the internet works. So when you send an email or a text message or browse the internet, your device uses an IP address to find the right server with the information that it needs. This is called a client-server relationship. You are the client, and the server's responsibility is to serve you data when your device requests it. The problem with this system is that all our data is stored in centralized servers owned by corporations like Google and Amazon, which could be hacked or go out of business at any time. For Web 3 to work properly and prevent future problems like these from happening, we need decentralized servers that don't rely on any one company for it to function correctly. Here comes Ethereum, which solves the issue by creating what is known as a peer-to-peer network. With this kind of network, each person has access to their own copy of every file, known as nodes, meaning there isn't just one central location where everything is stored. Suppose someone tries to hack into your node without permission. In that case, they will only get access to part of your data rather than everything, since the information is encrypted and broken up into many different pieces. There are some challenges to peer-to-peer networks though. Due to them being decentralized, they have no single point of failure. It becomes hard for users who aren't experts in the cryptography or math to have trust in Web3 due to how complicated it is. What can I use Ether for? Ether is the cryptocurrency that fuels the Ethereum network, a platform for smart contracts. So what can you do with Ether? With Ether, you can use it to pay for services and goods or hold onto it in hopes that it will rise in value. You can also trade it, invest it into new projects via ICOs, and more. Ether may not have the same price recognition as Bitcoin, but it has some of the most well-developed infrastructure available today. A vast majority of decentralized applications are built using Ethereum smart contracts because they allow developers to deploy applications without worrying about downtime related to a centralized server. In addition to this stable infrastructure, Ether transactions are confirmed roughly every 15 seconds due to being powered by nodes all around the world instead of in just one central location. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency that has the goal of making it easy for developers to write and deploy decentralized applications. Ethereum can be used to codify, decentralize, secure, and trade just about anything. From voting, domain names, financial exchanges, crowdfunding agreements, and digital assets like music and artwork. No one person controls Ethereum. It runs on a system called blockchain where an immutable list of transactions is stored in a public view. Though Ether, the currency, and other cryptos are not regulated by any country, they have no restrictions within their own system. A drawback to using this system is that because all transactions are recorded, there cannot be complete anonymity in transactions as there is with cash. However, the future looks promising. Even though there is no firm regulation on cryptocurrencies, Ethereum is one of the only ones to have been said to not be a security by the SEC. Now, this doesn't mean that Ethereum is immune from hacks and security issues, but it does provide some reassurance when compared to other cryptocurrencies. While Bitcoin seems to be dominating the crypto world, Ethereum is quickly gaining ground. If you're looking to get involved in the blockchain space but don't know where to start, keep watching videos like this to help you make an informed decision. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today's video. And if you enjoyed this type of content, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, and let me know if you like this type of video. So that's it for today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, next episode from the Crypto Cabin. Let's get it.